guys see the fight down the pit?
Nah, brother, I was being quizzed over lunchtime.
Nah, I heard about it though.
Who was dropping bombs with who? Yeah, it's Gomez.
Hey, what's his issue?
He's been acting weird since yesterday.
Hey, you got physics with him. Why don't you do us a favor and see what his problem is?
Hey, it's Gomez. How's it going, man?
Okay, I guess.
Listen, man, we've been noticing you and act a little differently. What's the problem? Listen, my Latino brother, don't try to give me that crap. I know something's been bugging you.
Roll up the ramp.
What?
Yesterday, I went to Tim's at lunch for a coffee with a couple of guys and ordered an extra large triple.
Brother, I know what you're saying, but I just ain't hearing it.
I rolled up the ramp.
Once again, my brother, I just ain't hearing it.
And it said,
Julio, Gomez. What you doing?
Sorry, my brother.
Quiet, man.
Sorry. Yeah.
It's your coffee.